is an adverb?
That last section.
Yes, adverb.
I don't have.
Attend the last session. Okay then.
No.
Okay, Ishan M. Deepak. It is. What is an adverb? Adverb. Are you not seeing the recording session, children? Those who are not attending the session, please do see the recorded session.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I see, but my phone have some problems.
Okay.
I
Okay.
cannot see.
Okay then. Ishan, come on, tell me what is an adverb? Who can give me the answer? P.S. Dara, come on, Dara. What is an adverb?
Ma'am,
Yes.
word.
Dara, come on, unmute it. Who's telling me the answer? Is it Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you tell me the answer.
Words which
Words which?
show when some action is done is called adverb.
I don't want the different kinds of adverbs. I told you, just tell me what is an adverb is. Okay, who can give me the answer? Yes, Devananda, come on. If you're ready with the answer. Children, what is an adverb?
Word.
Yes?
Describing word.
Describing verb. Yes. Adverb describes a verb. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. So an adverb is a word that describes a verb. Why is it you're forgetting, children? It is the last session. Okay. So the next session I'll be taking a class test for you. Okay. So today's session, we'll just have a recap and the revision of everything. And just in the next session, in the coming session, we'll do a revision. Sorry, we'll do a class test. Okay. So adverbs are nothing but it is a word that describes a verb. Okay, it describes a verb. So words that describe a verb is called an adverb. Is that clear to all of you? There are different kinds of adverbs. We have learned about 3 different kinds of adverbs. The first one we learned was adverb of manner. The second one was what we have learned, adverb of time. And the third one we learned is the adverb of place. Okay, adverb of manner, adverb of time, and adverb of place. Very good. Very good. Okay, children. Okay, you have learned it. So, adverb of manner answers the question. Answers the question. Come on, tell me the answer. Answers the question. How? Answers the question. How? Okay. Adverb of manner answers the question.
How?
Adverb of time answers the question. When? When? Okay. Adverb of time answers the question. When? Okay. Adverb of place answers the question. Adverb of place answers the question. Where? Okay. So adverb of manner answers the question how. Adverb of time answers the question when. And adverb of place answers the question where. So we already know about 3 different kinds of adverbs. So adverb of manner tells us in what manner or how the action is done. That's all. In what manner or how the action is done. Adverb of time tells us when or at what time the action is done. Adverb of place gives information about the place or tells us where the action is done. I hope it's clear to all of you. Okay, adverb is a word that describes a verb. Okay, there are 3 different kinds of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of time, and adverb of place. Okay, adverb of manner tells us how or in what manner the action is done. Okay, adverb of time tells us when or at what time the action is done. Adverb of place gives information about the place and also tells us where the action is done. I hope it's very, very clear to all of you. Now let's move on to the exercises part of it. So we are moving on to it. I hope all of you are ready with your workbook. Okay, are you all ready? So straight away we'll move on to the exercises. I'm moving. Okay, I hope all of you, we have already done all these very well. Okay, so let's move on to the exercises which are there in page number. All these we have finished in the last session or the previous session. So let's move on to the worksheet 19. All of you, please do keep your worksheet 19 in front of you. All of you, please do keep your worksheet 19 in front of you. Take your pencils in your hand. So let's start. Savio, come on, Savio. Read the first question.
The sun shines brightly.
Very good. The sun shines brightly. Now pick up the adverb in the sentence.
Brightly.
Brightly. Very good. Come on, tell me what kind of adverb it is. Yes, what kind of adverb it is? Children, while you're doing these exercises, children, please draw a line, okay, with your scale and your ruler, with your scale and your pencil. Then you can write neatly by the side of it. I show you how to write this. So this is how you'll draw the lines. I wanted all of you to do it very, very neatly. Yes. So Savio, as you said, brightly. Brightly, what kind of adverb it is? It is a clue for you, Savio. Ly ends with. So what kind will it be? What kind of adverb it is? If the adverb ends with ly, it is an adverb of manner. I've told you when I've discussed about this. Most of the adverbs of manner end in ly. But there are certain adverbs of manner that do not end in ly are, we have already discussed about it. Hard, well, fast. Notes are being sent. Please do, I hope so, all of you have copied down your notes properly into your notebook. Okay, and please do the exercises which is being sent. Today I'll be sending the rest of it. Okay. So, brightly is an adverb of manner. So, since it ends with ly and it asks questions. How? The sun shines. How does the sun shine? So, brightly. So, it is an adverb of manner. Okay. Adverb of manner. Children, it is very quite easy. Okay. Adverb of manner, children, it is very easy to find out. Most of the adverbs ends in ly. Here in itself, I'll tell you. Most of the adverbs here, ly. All these are adverbs of manner. And I've told you the other things also. Hard, other than ly, hard, fast, well. Also the adverb of manner. See here, well, fast, all these are adverb of manner. From looking at itself, we can identify the adverbs of manner. Then I've told you adverb of time asks the question when. So here you can see most of the adverbs, children, it normally ends at the end of the sentence. Normally you can find the adverbs at the end of the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence. I'm not telling all, but most of it. So these are the clues for you to find out the adverbs. Okay, adverbs are very quite easy. In order to find out the adverb of time, ask a question when. So while reading out the question, while understanding the meaning of it, you could understand what it is. Then in order to find out the adverb of place, ask a question where. So it is easy for us to identify. So let's do it. Okay. So that is how you'll find it out. Okay, Aishwarya, come on, do the next one for me. Aishwarya, unmute it. Yes. We must eat.
We must eat our food slowly.
Okay. Slowly is the adverb. What kind of adverb it is?
An adverb of manner.
Very good. Adverb of manner. Manner, there's no other question. Ly means it is adverb of manner. Okay, Adit. Come on, Adit. Do the next one. I wanted all of you to do it now, children. Okay? Yes. Adit, come on, unmute it, please. Yes. Come on, unmute it and then read the question. Have you unmuted it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now you read the question. Yes.
The woman spoke loudly.
Okay, what kind of adverb it is?
Loudly.
Loudly.
Adverb of manner.
Very good, Adit. Adverb of manner. It's very easy. Nothing to learn. Why is it confusing for you? Yes. Now we'll move on to the next person. Vaiga, come on, Vaiga. Read the next question for me. Unmute it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you have done your lessons well.
Well. So
Well.
find out the adverb there.
Well,
Well, very good. What kind of adverb it is?
adverb of
I've told you, there are three words which doesn't end with ly, but there are adverbs of manner. What are those words? Hard,
adverb,
well,
adverb,
fast. Come on, say it along.
hard, well, fast.
Say it again.
Hard, well, fast.
So here it is well. So what kind of adverb it is?
Adverb of time.
Oh, how come? Adverb of
Adverb of
manner. Okay.
Manner.
Adverb of manner is the adverb. It ends with ly. Other than that, there are three words that do not end with ly. Are hard, well, fast. Okay, Vaiga?
okay, ma'am.
Okay. So it is adverb of manner. Okay. That's all, children. With adverb of manner, it ends with ly. And also it is hard, well, and fast. These are the three words that do not end with ly, but there are adverbs of manner. I hope all of you have understood. Okay, Devananda, come on, do the next one for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it.
The horse
Galloped
galloped fast.
fast. Okay. Now come on, tell me fast. What kind of it is? What kind of adverb it is?
Adverb of manner.
Very good. Adverb of manner. That's all. Adverb of manner is quite easy. Just looking at the sentence, we could identify it. No need of reading the sentence even. Okay, Regin, come on. Yes, Regin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the question. Next question.
The
Soldiers.
soldier fought brave.
Okay, the soldiers fought bravely. So, which is the adverb there?
Bravely.
Bravely. Very good, Regin. So, what kind of adverb it is?
Adverb of manner.
Manner. First, come on, say the words repeatedly. Manner. Okay. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. M-A-N-N-E-R. Write it neatly in your workbook. Okay. This is how you have to draw the lines and see that you write it neatly. Okay. Now I'll move on to Akshaj. Come on, Akshaj. Yes. Akshaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The play will begin now.
Okay. The play will begin now. Find out the adverb.
Now.
Now, very good. What kind it is?
Adverb of time.
How come? Yes. Here, the play will begin now. Yes, very good. So, when will the play begin? It is now. So, it is adverb of time. Very good. Okay. Now, then, and all, it is adverb of time. Okay, children? So, very good, Regin. Not Regin. Akshaj. Sorry. Now, I'll move on to the next person. Sachin, come on, Sachin. Do the next one for me.
Ma'am,
Sachin, unmute it. Have you unmuted it? Yes.
the
Read the
play
question.
will. My
That
uncle
is over.
lives
My
here.
uncle lives here. Okay, now find out the adverb in the sentence.
Here.
Here. Okay, what kind it is? Where does
Adverb of manner.
How come? Ask a question. My uncle lives here. Here. So ask a question. Where does your uncle live? So it answers the question where. So what kind it is? Adverb of? Sachin. Adverb of?
Adverb of time.
How come, my dear? A time means we have to ask a question when. So here it answers the question. My uncle lives here. So ask a question. Where does your uncle live? So it answers the question where. So what kind it is?
Adverb of place.
Place. Very good. Adverb of place. Children, adverb of place. If it's only three are there. One is how, time is when, place is where. So where means it is place. Adverb of place. Don't forget. Now, Evelyn, come on, Evelyn. Do the next one for me. Come on, read the question. Gopi.
Gopi is
Standing.
standing there.
Yes, Gopi is standing there. So,
There.
there, very good. So, what kind it is?
The adverb of place.
Very good. Adverb of place. There means ask a question. Where is Gopi standing? Gopi is standing there. So, it is adverb of place. So, please do write it. I wanted all of you to write this. Okay? Okay, Nihara, come on, Nihara. Unmute it and do the next one.
We should always speak the truth.
Truth. Okay, now.
Truth.
Yes, not truth.
I'm always.
Always. When we should speak the
Always.
truth. Always. So it is adverb of time. Okay.
Time.
When we should speak the truth. Yes, we should always speak the truth. So it is adverb of time. Okay. Now I'll move on to Preet. Come on, Preet. Do the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The
Are all of you
servant.
doing it? Yes. The
The
servant.
servant is paid monthly.
Yes, the servant is paid monthly. So which is the
Ma'am,
adverb there?
monthly.
Monthly. What kind it is?
Manner.
Manner. Very good. So it is adverb of manner. I think so. Now you are on the track. No, children? Now you're getting it. Yes, Christina. Come on, Christina. Unmute it. Yes, read the next question.
The girl sings sweetly.
Yes. Pick out the adverb in the sentence.
Sweetly.
Sweetly. What kind it is?
Adverb of manner.
Very good. Adverb of manner. Very good, children. Now, very good, Christina. Now I'll move on to the next person. Rupika, come on, Rupika. Do the next one. Unmute it. Read the question. He treats everybody kindly. He treats everybody kindly. So,
Adverb of manner.
kindly, come on, tell me. It's not audible to me. That's what.
Of manner.
Yes? No, what kind? Now, first thing you pick out the adverb in the sentence, Rupika. Where is the adverb in the sentence? He treats everybody kindly. Now pick out the adverb. Huh?
Kindly.
Yes, very good. Kindly. Now what kind it is?
Adverb of manner.
Yes, since it ends with ly, it asks a question. How? It is an adverb of manner. Okay. Adverb. Please do write it, all of you. Write it neatly. Have all of you finished this exercise in page number 34? Now let's move on to page number 35. Okay? Yes, with this we'll be completing adverbs. Okay, children? Yes, Malavika, come on. Malavika is not there. Yes, Malavika, come on. Do the first, do the 14th one.
I can't do that easily.
Yes, I can do that easily.
Easily.
Easily. So all of you, please do draw lines like this with your scale and your pencil.
Ma'am,
Okay, I wanted all of you to draw the lines using the scale and a pencil, and we'll do the exercises. Okay, children?
ma'am,
Yes.
adverb of manner.
What is it?
Adverb of manner.
Manner, yes. So it is, I can do that easily. Easily is the adverb here since it ends with ly, and ask a question, how? How I can do that easily. How can I do that? So it is easily. So it answers the question, how? So it is an adverb of manner. Please, all of you, please do write it very neatly. Okay. So I'll move on to the next person is Dara. Dara, come on. Do the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the next one.
He sleeps.
He is sleeping.
She is sleeping soundly.
Yes, he is sleeping soundly. So,
Soundly.
soundly, very good. What kind it is?
Adverb of manner.
Yes. So here you have noticed that most of the adverbs that ends at the end of the sentence. Have you not noticed that? Okay. Pius, come on, Pius. Come
Yes,
on, Pius,
ma'am.
do the next one. Do the 16th one.
The boy ran.
The boy ran swiftly. S-W-I-F-T-L-Y, swiftly. Okay. Now come on, find out the adverb in the sentence. Pius? Swiftly. What kind it is? What kind it is? Pius? Yes, Pius? It ends with ly. So what kind it is? It is adverb of?
Tie.
How come? Ly. I've told you, no, if the adverbs ends with ly, what kind it is? Adverb of? Adverb of? Manner. Okay. Now, Ivana, come on, Ivana, do the next one.
Ma'am.
Yes, read the next question. My parents love me dearly.
Love me, dear.
Okay, pick out the adverb.
Dearly.
Dearly, what kind it is?
Adverb of manner.
Very good. Adverb of manner. Ashwati, come on. Do the next one. All of you, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Videos, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashwati, read the next question. 18th question.
She writes neatly.
Yes, she writes neatly. Now pick out the adverb. Neatly. Yes, what kind it is?
Adverb of manner.
Very good. Adverb of manner. Please do write it in your workbooks, children, very neatly. Okay, all of you, please. Rachel, come on, Rachel. Unmute it and read the next question. Unmute it, please. Come on, read the question. Yes. The hungry child, come on. 19th question. The hungry child
What?
wept
What?
bitterly.
Bitterly.
Okay, now pick out the adverb.
Bitterly.
Okay, then what kind it is?
Adjective
An adverb
of manner.
yes, adverb of manner. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yes. What about Dhananjay? All of you, please do turn on your videos. Where is Ishan? Dhananjay, come on. Read the next question. All of you, please do turn on your videos. Ishan, Devakrishnan, and everyone. Yes, Dhananjay, come on, read the question.
The old farmer works hard.
Hard. Okay, the old farmer works hard. Now pick out the adverb in that sentence.
Works.
No,
Uh,
I've told you no. Hard it is. What kind it is? Hard is the adverb. Okay, here it answers the question how. I've told you the three words, adverb of manner. Hard, well, and fast. So hard is an, what kind it is? Adverb of?
place.
How come? The old farmer works hard. How does the old farmer work? So it answers the question how. So what kind it is? It answers the question how. So what kind it will be? Dhananjay. Adverb of?
Time.
No, adverb of
Manner.
manner. Okay. Adverb of manner. If it answers the question how, it is adverb of manner. Okay. Devakrishna, come on, Devakrishna. Yes, unmute it and read the question. 21st question, okay? Read the question, 21st one. 21st. Read the question, Devakrishna.
Speak.
Speak
Gently.
gently.
Gently to the little child.
Okay, now pick out the adverb there. Which is the adverb in the sentence? Speak gently to the little child. Now, which is the adverb there?
Gently.
Gently, yes, you're right. Now, what kind it is? Manner, that's all. What's there? It ends with ly, so it's a clue for you. It is a manner. Yes, I'll move on to Hari Govind. Hari Govind, come on, do the next one for me. He is waiting. Louder, please.
He is waiting outside.
Okay, he is waiting outside. Now pick out the adverb.
Outside.
Outside, what kind it is? Outside. So what does it tell you? It tells you a place. So where is he waiting? So what kind it is? Hari Govind. Tell me the answer. Adverb of? Place. Where is he waiting? He's waiting outside. It is adverb of place.
Ma'am, tell Hari Govind to mute. There is disturbance from his side.
Okay. I could hear. Yes. Okay then. Now we'll do, I think so it's almost, we have come to the end of today's session. Only a few more you have to do it. You can do it as assignment. It is home assignment from 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. All the rest has been done during the session. So I wanted all of you to, okay. So we have come to the end of today's session, children. Okay. And we have come to the chapter results is over. We have completed till worksheet 19. In the next session, we'll do a class test. Okay, children? So anyhow, we have come to the end of today's session. Bye, children. Bye, all of you. Bye, children. Bye is bye-bye. Okay, thank you. Thank you, children. Okay, okay.
Bye.